Oh, there's an American tree sparrow right there. That was a bald eagle. What on earth is that? Pine siskin. Good morning. We're at Meridian Park. It's nice and quiet, and I hear a lot of birds singing. Chickadees flying over. There's a red-breasted nuthatch. There's 3 downy woodpeckers in that tree fighting. Pretty foggy outside right now. This snow is loud. There's a few of those downy woodpeckers. Oh, there's the other one. A ton of crows flying over. There's another one. I think that's a blue jay. They make the weirdest noises. Oh, belted kingfisher. Over there. You can hear the rattling call. That was it. I think he's probably perched. At least it sounds like it. We'll see if we can get closer to him. That could be cool. Belted kingfishers almost always perch on a long stick above a body of water. I wish the snow wasn't so loud. Probably just gonna scare him away just by walking. Oh, there's an American tree sparrow right there. Psst, 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 psst. Hey, buddy. Oh, he was close. The reason why those photos were too dark is because I had my ISO set too low. Alright, where's this kingfisher? Oh, there he is. Scared him away just by walking. Yeah, there's some geese down in the middle of the river. What is with those mallards? They're so loud. That was a bald eagle. Okay, so there's a few ducks down there. They're probably just mallards. Yeah, and then there's some geese down there. You can probably see those. Red-bellied woodpecker. Oh, there's that kingfisher. That sounded like a gunshot. Ooh, some cedar waxwings in that tree. Nice, I think that's what they are. Oh, just one. Just one waxwing. The rest are robins. What on earth is that? I see a great blue heron way down the river over there. That's a bald eagle. That was a bald eagle calling. Pretty cool. Seems like every time I come here, I hear a crazy weird noise. It's a downy right above us. There's a chickadee. Shh, 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 shh. Hey, chickadee. Caught him in the middle of jumping. Some white-breasted nuthatches barking at each other. Kind of sounds like a bark. Recently I finished my first photo journal, which contains my best shots from last year and a few years ago. And if you'd be interested in checking it out, the link is in the description. Wait, belted kingfisher? Probably the same one. Right there, that's a pine siskin. I'd like to see some more of those guys. I had one at my bird feeder a few days ago. We got this shot. So that was pretty cool. We are definitely in the slow season. Trust me, when we get to the spring months, these videos won't be so boring. Is that kingfisher? Oy. I remember one of my first bird photos. It was of a goldfinch right in this tree, right at the top. That was a while ago. Black-capped chickadee singing. Pretty cute. There's one. Looks like I'm going this way. Oh, that wasn't too pretty. Flying doves. A lot of crows that way. There's a garden over here. It's a beauty. I'm gonna get through here as quietly as possible. What's up with you, pal? He's letting me get very close to him. Huh. Well, I hope he's not sick. Oh, there's a kingfisher. In that. Oh, what are those finches? I don't know if that's going to be enough to identify them. And if you have any requests or suggestions or recommendations on how I can make my videos better, let me know in the comments. I think that's the kingfisher on that branch right there. I'll see. Yep. It's a girl. That looks like a beaver did that. Don't fall in there. That would be really cold. All right. Okay. There's thorns on this thing. I thought there was another trail over here, but I think it starts past that little shed. It's just much easier to walk on. Gotta see what those crows are up to. They've been calling all morning. There are some happy crows over there. And chickadees. I heard that red-breasted nuthatch again. Right over here. I think in the top of one of these pine trees. He hasn't called in a while. I don't think he's gonna be very outgoing. Pileated woodpecker. That's cool. Well, that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing because it helps me out a lot. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.